Hello guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can change your profile picture in Roblox. Okay, so first off I want you to open two instances of the Roblox website. So I have one right here and the second one is right here. Okay, so for the first one I want you to click on these three lines right here and just select avatar. From here you can click on some empty space, right click on it and then click on inspect. Okay, you'll get this warning, but that's okay. You don't have to worry about it. The script is completely safe. So the next step is going to this link, which will be left as a pinned comment in the comments. You can check it and just copying up to here where it says $Ajax. So right click on it and copy. Okay, so go back to your main avatar page here and just press Ctrl+V. So you paste the script. Now we will need to edit something here and I'll show you how you can get the information that you need to edit. So open up your second instance of Roblox and click on the avatar shop. Okay, from here we want to go to animations, then emotes, and we can see all of the emotes. So just click one or select one. I'm going to use salute. So make sure you have it. So before you do anything, click on get now, and it should say purchase completed. Now we need to copy this ID right here in the URL. So just right click on it and copy. Now where we need to paste this is actually here where it says emote asset ID. So go behind the 0, press backspace so you delete it, Ctrl+V so you paste this ID here. And now if we've done everything correctly, we can just press enter. And you should get this message success true if you've done everything correctly. So if we go to the main page of Roblox here now, as you can see I had a previous picture before. Now I have the salute picture on my Roblox profile. So if this helped you out, leave a like and subscribe and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.